Welcome back. We are going to explore what is called Bhramari Pranayama, which means something probably very profound in Sanskrit. And we are going to explore this practice of long exhalations compounded with audible exhalations, so sound, and then also a little bit of sensory deprivation. So we're going to take our sight and our hearing out of the equation and really go inward. This is a very valuable practice. Anytime you're feeling stressed out, you'll naturally see children, if they're freaking out about something, they might literally go into something like this. So that's what we're going to replicate. So beautiful Kristen, we're going to, she's my breath stunt double. She's a much better breather than I am, so she's gonna go through this, and I'm gonna probably, I don't know, we'll see, maybe I'll do it. But we're gonna start off together. We're gonna take our hands like this, like Bullwinkle, and then you're gonna press over your ears so you can't hear anything. You can't hear anything right now, right?
Not
Perfect,
really.
great, you're not supposed to hear that. All right, so then from here, you're going to cover those sweet, sultry eyeballs of yours, and you're going to take a deep breath in through the nose, breathe, 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 and then on the breath out, you're going to take a long, audible exhalation. So, good, 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 good. As you're doing this, you can explore changing the tone, so it could go low, it could go high. All of your air out, 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 out. Full vacuum seal of that abdomen. Hold it tight, 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 tight. No laughing, this is yoga. All right, and then take a deep breath in. Good. And then one more time, we're going to do that audible exhalation, humming. So on your breath out, whenever you're ready, at your leisure. I'm gonna do it too. Here we go, I'm going in. So she's going to keep going. As we're doing this, we're focusing on keeping elongation through the spine, so we're raising the hips above the knees. And now this time, what I want you to do is remove your ears from here for a second, and I want you to actually exhale all of your air out, so take another deep breath in. At the end of this, something that you can throw in to the mix is you're going to actually do a little vacuum suck with your abdomen, so blow all of your air out, and then you're going to suck your belly in, and then playing with that position, so keep this. And I want, as we're in this position, I want us to have the booty back. So breathe normally for a second and pull your butt cheeks back a little bit more so you're really on the front edge of the sit-bones. Perfect. Yep. And then taking a breath in and then the breath out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that vacuum seal suck, and then you're gonna actually clench the muscles in the pelvic floor. And then you're also going to clench the muscles and kind of pull your chin back, and almost like you're like you're sealing your body all the way up from the pelvic floor. Perfect. She's like a real yogi, which is just great. So as we're going through this position, you're clenching, 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 compression, 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 holding that for, it might be like 15 to 20 seconds or so. And then you're going to relax everything and go into a normal breathing pattern. You can play with that a few times, 3 to 5 times, depending upon what you're into in the moment, what you have time for, really. How did that feel?
It felt great.
Yeah?
Kind of hard.
Kind of hard?
Yeah, holding at the end is pretty hard.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah, a little bit scary, but you can do it.
Would you have any recommendations for people in your experience?
I would probably say you can hold it for a little bit longer than you think you can, but your mind is going to go a little bit crazy because your body is so used to taking inhales and exhales all the time. So just like a second longer than is comfortable. Yeah. That's
good. I like that. Second longer than is comfortable. That's a good metaphor for life. All right. On to the next breathing exercise. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you, beautiful Kristen, for breathing with me. On to the next.